Place baking soda on your neck. You'll be amazed by the effect. Many people are unaware of how wonderfully baking soda works. Baking soda can not only be used for baking or cleaning, but it is also an exceptional cosmetic product. Take a bowl and pour a tablespoon of baking soda into it. Baking soda is an excellent antibacterial, brightening, and pH-stabilizing agent for the skin. Pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into the baking soda. Coconut oil is commonly used for frying in many households. It has remarkable properties for hair care. But lately, it is increasingly being used for whole body care. Mix the baking soda with the coconut oil. Take a lime and squeeze out its juice. Lime juice tones the skin. It soothes skin irritations and inflammations. Mix everything thoroughly. Apply the prepared mixture to the skin of your neck. Spread it on the nape. Apply a small amount and leave it on for several minutes. You can also apply such a mixture to elbows, knees, skin under the arms, hands, and face. Do this once a week, and your skin will be healthier. This is an irreplaceable homemade mask for fighting acne. But not only that, blemishes and redness will disappear from the skin. You'll get rid of pimples, spots, and irritations. The skin will brighten and achieve a uniform color. For just a few pennies, you have a universal cosmetic product that you can use on your entire body's skin. Pour olive oil on your neck, and it will change your life. Don't hesitate to try it out. The use of olive oil extends beyond just cooking. There's a reason it's been used in various ways since the time of Cleopatra up to today. And I'll show you how you can use it to your advantage. Before you experience its effects when applied to the neck, see what else I use it for. Soak bay leaves in olive oil for a few days, then apply it to your face, neck, hands, or other parts of your body. It's an elixir for irritated skin. Use it every night to reduce facial spider veins. Within a few days, your skin will be beautiful and moisturized. Apply 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your foot if you're suffering from a sprained ankle or strained tendons. It works like a painkiller. If you want to boost your immunity, use garlic. Prick several cloves with a toothpick and soak them in olive oil. Leave it for 10 days. Take 2 tablespoons in the morning every day. You'll feel much more energetic. Olive oil is also perfect for relieving neck discomfort. Take a bunch of fresh rosemary or a tablespoon of dried and put it in a bowl. Then pour olive oil over it. Add a little bit of alcohol. Leave it for a day in a dark place. Then spread and massage it into your neck. You'll see that it will alleviate the pain. This method will also bring you soothing relief. Place a sprig of rosemary on your neck. You will be pleasantly surprised by the results. This wonderful plant has many applications, some of which have beneficial effects on our health, beauty, and well-being. In this video, I will show you how to use rosemary. It turns out that a compress made from it has brilliant properties. It is a medicinal plant that should not be missing from your home. It has antioxidant, anti-aging, and anti-inflammatory properties. Put a few sprigs of rosemary into a jar. Fill it to the top. The more sprigs fit into it, the stronger the mixture will be. Then pour salicylic alcohol over the entire content, covering all the leaves. Screw the jar tightly and set it aside for a few days in a dark place. Before the mixture is ready, I will show you another use for rosemary. This plant is excellent at reducing unpleasant odors. Just pick a few leaves and sprinkle them in your athletic shoes. The bad smell will disappear. After a few days, the alcohol will extract the rosemary extract. Soak cotton with the solution and massage it into your neck. This plant has incredible power. The oils it contains improve well-being. Such a compress is excellent for combating headaches, insomnia, and migraines. Say goodbye to joint pain and swollen legs. We have the solution you've been searching for. Thanks to these 2 methods, you can finally forget about nagging pain and excessive water retention in your body. You'll rid yourself of the discomfort caused by joint swelling. These are the 2 best solutions that will help you alleviate these problems once and for all. Start by cooking rice. Rinse the rice grains and add them to boiling water. Make sure the water completely covers the rice. This water will come in handy later. Cook the rice for about 10 minutes. Then let it cool for another 2 to 5 minutes. Drain the rice, but don't pour out the water. You can use the rice for dinner. We'll utilize the rice cooking water for soothing sore joints. Prepare a bowl of warm water for soaking your feet. Pour the rice water into it. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Soak your feet in this mixture for 20 minutes. It will help combat leg swelling and improve circulation. It will eliminate fungal infections, bacterial infections, and inflammation. Another method is making a paste from the same ingredients. Simply mix a few tablespoons of rice water with baking soda until you get a thick consistency. Apply it to the painful areas. Leave this mixture on your joints for about 20 minutes. Remember, both ingredients have anti-inflammatory properties. Soaking your feet and the creamy paste are not only good for your joints, but also eco-friendly. Forget about products with harmful substances. These methods are natural and always effective. I iron a cabbage leaf and place it on my knee. Ever since my grandmother started walking independently again, I do this regularly. Take a cabbage head and tear off a large leaf. Warm it slightly with an iron, but not too hot. This softens the leaf's fibers and increases its flexibility. It also releases the cabbage's natural juices and nutrients, which is important. Apply coconut oil to the sore knee or any other part of the body. It works as a natural moisturizer and anti-inflammatory. Spread it evenly. Then, place the cabbage leaf on top and secure it with tape or a light bandage. Cabbage has cooling and soothing properties that can help reduce swelling and joint pain. It also has anti-inflammatory effects, relieves pain, and speeds up tissue healing and regeneration. Make sure the leaf sticks to your skin, which is why the ironing step is essential. With just a simple cabbage leaf and coconut oil, you can move freely again. Anti-aging mask that will surprise you. It tones and eliminates wrinkles. Your skin becomes silky smooth because of it. This mask is extremely effective. To make it, you need bananas, or more precisely, the peel of one banana. It has properties that will rejuvenate your skin. Chop it finely. Put it in a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. It prevents premature aging. Pour in 200 milliliters of water. Boil it all for 10 minutes. Rice with banana also brightens the complexion perfectly. Then transfer the rice with banana peel to a blender. Blend it into a smooth mixture. Transfer it to a bowl and add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It's perfect for discoloration and pimples. It also contains a lot of vitamin C. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. It cleanses and moisturizes the skin. Also, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It absorbs excess oil for oily skin. Mix everything thoroughly and transfer it to cream containers. Apply it to the skin and leave it on for several minutes. Tannins in banana peel tighten and tone the skin. Banana peel is an ideal cosmetic for acne-prone skin, but in combination with other ingredients, it is universal for different skin types. After using it, the skin is smooth, tight, and free of wrinkles. You can store this mask in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. However, it's best to use it regularly every day until you finish it.